This is the network design that we will use for our data center topology lab for the next set of videos. This is focused on a classical Ethernet topology, which is commonly used today. So within this topology, this is a two-tier topology with our core layer on top and access layer on the bottom. Each core will be fully meshed with dual interfaces between the other data center switches. Each access switch will be connected to each core also using dual interfaces. All these interfaces here between these switches will be 10 gigabit interfaces that will be used. These dual interfaces right here for each device will be bundled together and configured into a port channel, which we'll do in a particular video for port channel configuration. So this general diagram here, it will outline how everything will be connected between each other. And of course, you will see other details like the interface names that will be used with our configuration. You will also see the device name that will be referenced, like DCC2 or DCA2, for example. These will be the actual names that will be used on the tabs within our secure CRT program, where we will console into each device in this topology. Also within this network diagram, you will see what hardware that we are using. Now, we already discussed the details of the hardware, but our data center core will be the Nexus 7000 series switches, and our data center access will be using the Nexus 5000 series switches. What you see in red right here, here, and here that we talked about, this reflects the device ID that will be used for the IP addresses and port channel interfaces that will be configured. And we talked about that during the overview and design section. And lastly, within the network diagram, we have two servers connected at the access layer. We have server 1 and we have server 2. So we will use these servers to confirm various connectivity and services that will exist on our network. Now within this topology, these are the main data center technologies that we will focus on for our configuration. This will be focused on the classical Ethernet technologies, and this will include some of the following: setting up VTP, VLANs, 802.1q trunking, setting up layer 2 port channels, rapid span tree, bridge assurance, to even HSRP. So for each of these technologies, we will be discussing the concepts and how they will be implemented on top of our data center topology. Therefore, continue on to the next video as we start configuring this data center network step by step.